Hello everyone, welcome to the Velour channel. Today I'll show you how to use Minecraft mods in CurseForge. First, let's open CurseForge if you already have it. If you don't have it, we'll need to download it. For that, let's go to the browser. I don't have it, for example, right? Go to the CurseForge website, click on CurseForge, click download, specifically standalone since we don't need anything else. Now click the next button, accept the terms, continue and wait for installation. Click the Finish button and open CurseForge. And there it opens. Perfect. There, now we need to add some mods. Right? How do we use mods? Our Minecraft is ready. Click the plus sign, click Scan Computer for Games. Select where your games are located. Wait a bit and Minecraft should appear. Next we need to find mods. Click the Discover button. Here you'll find mods that you can add. Click on the mod you want and click Install. There. Create a profile, select your game version, name your profile and click Create. This profile will contain all the mods you add. That's all there is to it. This has been Velour. Goodbye everyone.